Alright, this video is to document my attempt at head wrap curls. So, Lacey from Pink Tomato Threads tells me that I can have glorious, beautiful curls just like her if I just wash my hair at night, let it dry all by itself until it's almost dry, which is what it is. It's like a tiny bit damp. And then I use one of her amazing head wraps and I just somehow magically put it like this and twist my hair around, and it's gonna be great in the morning. All right, so the clip, which normally goes in the back of your head, I'm popping right there, okay? Here we go. So I think maybe she like twists her hair or something. I'm doing this video so people who make videos that make things look so easy can watch this video and be like, yeah, that looks really complicated and that didn't make any sense. Because when you make it look really easy, I want you to see what other people are doing. Things that make no sense. Because that's what I'm now doing. So do I twist it? And then do I work my way back? I don't know. Is this gonna be like the longest video in the, oh man. This is stressful. I think I twist it. And then do you grab another piece? She just like, her hands just go and it just, like it even looks cute on her when she's doing it. I mean, look at this. I look like a milkmaid. I mean, not like a good one. All right, I'm gonna come back for the other side. Okay, so this head wrap was way longer than my hair, so I just kind of wrapped it around it. So you'll have to let me know how I'm doing, Lacey. Okay. By the way, I also expect, as per Lacey, that if I do somehow get magical, beautiful curls out of this, that they'll also last me all week. So let me just say, my bar is pretty high. I'm not gonna lie. I have pretty high expectations. We don't need to mention the fact that I've already tried this multiple times and it never turns out well. But I think this time's gonna be different. Okay, see, this is a problem. I guess I'll go this way. Okay, these do have this awesome wire in it. Oh, see, can you even see? Like, look at these chunks of hair. This is, I don't know what I'm doing. All right, I'm just gonna take that around too. There we go. Okay. So the wire will hold it, which is pretty great. I'm just gonna pinch it tight. And then just keep, I don't know, like a diaper maybe. This didn't go well. Maybe I'll tuck this one up. It's like swaddling a baby, but it's a braid. How do you think this is gonna go tomorrow? All right, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, folks. It is now the next day. I have slept in my head wrap bands. This is literally how I woke up. If I was making it look better, it would be this. Not as cute. All right, let's see what happened under there. do we think? I have to be honest, it's not quite as crazy as the last time I did this. I was careful about the ends to make sure that they had gone around nicely on the end instead of like getting all frayed and crazy. I'm gonna go into the bathroom and comb it just a little and see what we get. Okay, I'm back. I have to admit, it actually wasn't as bad as other times I've tried it. I think maybe I'm getting somewhere. I would say somehow other people get the top up higher or something, and so my shorter layers I felt like didn't really get curled. But I went and turned my curling iron on, and I literally did like 4 pieces. I did like this one, and this one. And then over here, I did like this one. And just getting those top layers, like, I mean, it was pretty good. I would say in total, that was like 60 seconds extra. And the rest of it has really tight curl, especially the bottom layers that didn't really require me to do anything. So I'm getting there. I'm gonna keep trying. I think this has potential.